with the Department of Health and Trade and Industry touting their achievements over the year that are a shoe-in the President's State of the Nation speech. The Transportation Department has announced a list of infrastructure projects to preface the President's speech on July 22. Ryan Lasigas has more.
In the last State of the Nation address by President Ferdinand Marcos Jr., DOTR's Build Better More program was included in the highlight of his report to people. Now that the President's SONA is approaching, where is the DOTR when it comes to the Build Better More program, where the President says 83% of it is building roads, bridges, seaports, airports, and mass transports? Earlier, Transportation Secretary Jaime Bautista explained what his agency is doing for the BBM program. The Secretary said the DOTR is doing so many infrastructure projects, most of which are inherited from the past administration. This includes the continuous construction of the North-South Commuter Railway or NSCR. It is a 147-kilometer railway that runs from Clark to Calamba, Laguna. It is expected that this project will provide better transportation services that will help the development of the economy further for workers and job seekers.
Yun ay ongoing ang construction, no? Ang ating contractor doon ay isang Spanish group, no? And we're working closely with them, no? So far,
kailan po yung target completion nun, sir?
Ang target completion nitong ating North-South Commuter Railway, no, ay by 2029, no? 2029. Although we're expecting that we will have partial operations by 2027.
In addition to this, the construction of the first subway in the Philippines, the Metro Manila Subway Project, is also going on. This is a 33-kilometer underground railway system that will start in Valenzuela. It has state-of-the-art train sets that can carry over 2,000 passengers per train. The physical progress of the project is currently at 14% and is expected to be fully operational in the year 2029. The fund for the project is estimated at 488.5 billion pesos, funded by official development assistance from JICA and the government.
Ang mga achievements natin dito ay nag-start ng magkaroon ng operation yung mga tunnel boring machines, no? Sa ngayon ay meron na tayong 4 na tunnel boring machine na almost 24 hours yung operations niya, no? Okay. Within the year ay magiging 6 yan, no? And sa mga susunod na taon ay magkakaroon ng up to almost 19 tunnel boring machines, no? Working 24 hours para matapos yung construction.
Bautista also introduced the ports development in the country, where there are many changes in the 700 ports in the country with the help of the Philippine Ports Authority. In the airports, many projects have also been done, including the modernization and improvement of the existing airports. And one of the big projects expected to happen this year is the modernization of Manila International Airport.
Dapat matapos kaagad para naman maging komportable ang experience ng ating mga pasahero ay ang modernisasyon ng Manila International Airport, no? By September 13 or September 14 ay magte-take over na ang private proponent natin, no? And sila ay mag-i-invest ng almost $3 billion, no? Para ma-improve yung ating existing facilities sa Manila International Airport, no? Ma-increase yung capacity from 32 million up to 62 million, no? So napakalaking improvement nito.
DOTR is now also focusing on the PUV Modernization Program or PUVMP. The consolidation is now over and the route rationalization for the PUMV has started already. Ryan Lasigas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.